In the year 1235, Kaor faced the power of time. But this power took his memories. Lyra said, "Your power is for understanding moments, not control." He restored balance to nature. But Shador, the darkness of time, attacked. The battle of time began. With cooperation, he defeated the darkness. Peace returned to Zerion. He gave up his power, but left behind awareness. Zerion flourished again. I don't control time. Time guides me. A message for today. Live in the present moment.